as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh.
What's up, guys? Happy Vlogmas Day 24. It is actually, we're gonna start this one Thursday night, December the 22nd, because things have kind of took an unexpected turn. My dad and I are hitting up the Dunham Sports because the storm is coming earlier than we thought. And so it's heading our way and it's bad apparently. So my dad, we are currently going to pick up an air mattress because he works about a half hour or so away, and the way they're reporting on the news, like there's no way he could safely get to work tomorrow morning with that commute. Like there's no way possible. So not what he wants to do for sure, not what any of us want, but he's got to go stay at somebody's house. Some of our family lives in that area, so he's going to go stay at their house, and he needs an air mattress to do that, so that way he doesn't have to worry about commuting super far to work in the morning. So that's kind of what we're doing now, which isn't ideal, but unfortunately it's what's happening. So yeah, we're doing that, and hopefully we can find one. Hopefully they're not all like sold out or whatever. I mean, it's a sports store, I'm pretty sure they'd have them. Anyways, oh, you get one? You found it, hopefully? Oh, they're kind of expensive. Anyways, we're gonna try to find one. Okay, so we're out of Dunham's finally. Got the air mattress, and it's like, it's raining here, which isn't necessarily the problem because it's still 42 degrees, but the issue is tomorrow morning, the temperature is literally going to, at like 7 in the morning tomorrow, it's going to be 5 degrees. So right now it's 42, but it's gonna be 5 degrees. And then in a little bit, it's gonna turn into a rain-snow mix or whatever. So it's just gonna be really bad conditions to drive. So I hate that he has to go stay up there or whatever, but yeah, adulting's not fun. But anyways, hopefully it's not as bad as it says it's gonna be. So I'm gonna cut this one off, and then I'll catch you guys in the morning, and we'll look at the outside and all that fun stuff and see if there's anything to show you. I mean, hopefully, in a way, I mean, it'll feel like a waste that he did all this if it doesn't actually do anything, but it's better to be safe than sorry, you know? So hopefully it's not as bad as they're saying, but we're gonna see. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is now Friday, and let's get a little weather update here. Of course, y'all can see it. You probably don't even need me to tell you. The storm hit. Now, we didn't get a bunch of snow. Originally, they said we were gonna get like 3 to 6 inches of snow. They're not calling for snow anymore. But what happened was, it is like complete ice out there because it's -3 degrees. That's not with the wind chill. It's literally -3 degrees. So like, it's a sheet of ice. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. That is all froze over. Literally all froze over. And like the roads, people are saying on Facebook, people are just sliding all over the place. It's a level 2 and everything like that. So really good thing my dad did go last night, so he didn't have to worry about going a long way to work. So yeah, it's crazy though. And with it being so cold, it's not gonna melt either. So yeah, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. The really scary thing now is there are just huge gusts of wind that just keep coming, and that could knock the power out. I mean, we're like hoping and praying that doesn't happen, but I mean, it's definitely possible. So absolutely crazy. -3 degrees definitely calls for hot cocoa. So I am gonna be a rebel. Salted caramel. I already had a caramel kind earlier this Advent. I don't know why there's another one. I'm gonna skip that and do toasted marshmallow because that sounds good. So gonna make that. Toasted marshmallow is actually pretty good. I'm definitely a fan of this one. So gonna sit down, watch some YouTube, and enjoy this. All right, so since we are stuck at home anyways, it seems like a really good opportunity to go ahead and do our Christmas baking. So we're gonna make some delicious baked goods here. Hopefully the roads are cleared and everybody can come partake of them tomorrow night for Christmas Eve. But if not, then I guess that's just more for us, right? So we're going to be making a few different things. We're going to be making Ritz mints, which are like Thin Mint Girl Scout cookies, and they're really, really easy, and they taste just as good. I'm not even kidding. Also going to be making some more of those Rolo pretzels because they are so delicious. We're going to be making some no-bake cookies, we're going to be making some sugar cookies, and we're going to be making some of the infamous potato candy, which most of you guys have actually never heard of, but it's like so good. So, a lot of different baking. I'm going to take you guys along for the day, and yeah, let's make some delicious. So starting out with the no-bakes here, going to need some milk, oats, sugar, cocoa powder, some butter, vanilla, and peanut butter. And I'll have the link to this recipe down below where I found it so you guys can view it specifically there. But yes, it's going to be awesome.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to.
All right, we're gonna get started on the potato candy. Potato candy is definitely a very labor-intensive baking recipe, but it's so good. It is just basically a whole lot of powdered sugar, which I'm gonna actually use this Truvia this year. And it tastes actually just like powdered sugar. And I got this on a really good deal, so I'm gonna use that. It is delicious. It looks like this. It's like peanut butter, powdered sugar, and it does have some little bit of potato in it, so I'm gonna have potato, butter, a whole lot of powdered sugar. I'll probably even need more than this, and some vanilla. So let's get making some potato candy.
Have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
All right, so next we're gonna be making one of our favorites. My mom watches a YouTuber called Dorset Doorstep, and she made these, and we've made them 2 years now straight, and we love them. This is our 3rd year. It tastes just like a Girl Scout cookie Thin Mint, and all you need, it's so easy. You need Ritz crackers, and you need Andes mints. You just melt the Andes mints in the microwave. Make sure you do it in, I believe it's 20-second intervals. I'm gonna double check her video to make sure it doesn't melt, or I'm sorry, it doesn't burn. We want it to melt. That's what we're trying to do, is get it to melt, but we don't want it to like burn or anything. So 20-second intervals, stir it up, do another 20 seconds. And once the chocolate's melted, then you dip the Ritz in that mixture, and they taste just like Girl Scout cookie Thin Mints. So we got regular Andes and peppermint Andes. It's gonna be awesome. Let's do it.
First flake of snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its way.
So next up, we're gonna make more of these guys. We made them for the party Sunday night and everybody loved them, so why not make it again? Rolo pretzels, they're delicious, they're easy, super good. Let's make them.
Live together, and then we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day.
All right, all done with our Christmas baking for 2022. Awesome. So many good things. So many delicious things. Too many delicious things. But yes, it's going to be great. Man, I really taste tested almost everything. The only thing that we didn't really get to try were the no bakes, and I don't know what went wrong with those no bakes. We're not even sure if they're gonna be good. They're like struggling to set, and we followed the recipe to a T. Like there's been times I've tried to tweak a recipe to make it healthier or whatever, but no, we followed that to a T. We used the stick of butter and all that stuff, but they're having a hard time setting, so I'm not sure. Like they're kind of mushy and just not very firm. So looked it up online, and basically they said just leave them refrigerate to set for many hours. So we're kind of hoping those work out for Christmas Eve tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see how that works out. But everything else really, really, really good. Really, really good. Checked the forecast, checked what our temp is right now, and guys, we're having a heat wave. Instead of being -3, it's only -2. Yes. No, that doesn't make a difference really, but it's -2 right now. Not with the wind chill. The wind chill is probably in the negative like 20s or something, but it's -2 out there, so it is freezing. Actually, it's really, really, really sad, and we had figured this was going to happen, but we had hoped it wasn't going to happen. We actually kind of waited around today to see if there was like any chance we were going to be able to make this happen. But unfortunately, my grandma planned a Christmas gathering tonight at her house with the family, and she was all excited for us to come. And unfortunately, we just aren't able to. She lives actually a little bit of a distance from us, and so just the way the roads are, their county actually is worse. They're at a level 3 right now. We're only at a level 2, but they're at a level 3, which actually means that no one is to be on the roads other than emergency like personnel or whatever. So yeah, it's that bad out. It's really, really bad. Icy roads, and with this cold, the ice isn't gonna let up. So unfortunately, we just ended up, like, the family just decided to postpone it until next week. So I mean, we're still gonna do it. It just sucks because she was really wanting everyone to come, and she'd started making food and things, and it just didn't end up happening, and it sucks. It definitely sucks. I feel bad for her because she was all excited for it, and it makes me feel bad because, you know, she worked so hard at it. And then the weather just kind of messed it all up. But we will do that next week, and I'll vlog about it. That'll probably actually fall on the last day of Vlogmas. Yes, it will. So yes, we will do that, and you'll get to see our little Christmas gathering with her, even though it's delayed. We did go, and I took her presents Wednesday night, and I just in case this would happen today, I was like, let's just go take her presents and visit with her. So we got to see her before Christmas, but we didn't get to do the whole gathering with the whole family, so we will have to do that next week with her. So, yeah, it's going to happen, but it sucks because she was really looking forward to it today, but stupid weather, stupid weather. Hopefully everybody's able to come tomorrow night for Christmas Eve. So that is my dad's side of the family. My mom's side of the family lives more local to us. So hopefully they're able to come and hopefully the roads are cleared. Yeah, so we're hoping. It's been crazy. It's been a crazy day with the weather. And I know some people did get it a lot worse. Here it wasn't as much snow. It was just a ton of ice. It got so cold that all that rain froze over and the roads are so dangerous. The governor posted, I follow the governor on Instagram, he'd posted that 4 people in the state have died today because of car accidents from the ice and many injured. So it's nothing to joke about or anything like that. It is really, really, really crazy and sad. And so it's just better to be safe than sorry. So we're just staying put. My dad did make it back home, thankfully. He had a rough time, but he wanted to make sure he got back home. And yeah, so guys, craziness. But anyways, that is going to be a wrap on today's vlog. I do hope you all did enjoy. Stay safe out there. Let me know what the weather is doing in your area. And thank you so much for watching.
As they walk